Okay, guys, pack customers order with me. Okay, these beautiful shirts are going to Niger State. So join me, let's package this together. Look at those beautiful shirts. These shirts are going to Niger State. So pack this order with me. Now, funny enough, this guy contacted me that he needs this for himself and his wife. I was like, okay, for yourself? He said yes. I said, okay now. So I made these two beautiful ones for the wife. As you can see, the size and this thing is different because I think the wife is size 8. The wife is size 8. So these two are a little bit smaller. These two are for the wife, and these two is for my customer. So you see, for those of you that will be like, you know what, can a guy wear these shirts? Yes, a guy can wear it. Just tell me the length you want and your size, and I'll work with it. So let's pack this order. This is how I do pack my shirts after ironing. Okay. Okay, so this one is good to go like this. Like I said earlier, these shirts are going to Niger State. Yes, this is for those that always say, "Oh, I would have loved to patronize you, but you're not in. I'm not in Lagos. This and that." Don't worry, wherever you are, we're going to send it across to you. Now, another thing I want to address is those people that when they come to my DM and they'll be like, "I like this shirt. Can I get it?" I will say yes, but tell me what is your size. They'll be like, what do you mean? What is my size? Yes, this is a free size, but I need to know your size. I can't just send that an order like that. You need to tell me your size. If you don't know your size, you can send me your a full picture of yourself, or you meet a tailor to take some measurement. That's just it. So stop telling me I don't know what I'm doing when I ask of your size. It's not possible now. I can't just send out order like that. Some people will even be like, okay, what if I tell you my size and what I like is not my size? I said, no, it's even better. If it's not your size, I will know. Then I'll do something about it. It's either I recreate for you, or if it's something that is adjustable, we adjust it to your size. I can't just send that order. What? Okay, look at this order we are packing now. It's going to Niger State. Imagine just sending this, and when it gets to Niger State, the person will be like, oh, it's not my wife's size, it's not my size, I'm going to send it back to you. No, now. So please, whenever I ask for your size, tell me your size. If you don't know your size in UK size chart, you can meet a tailor to just take just few measurements, and we are good to go. Okay, so guys, thank you for packing this order with me. I'm just going to seal this and send it out.